Police are trying to unravel an incident in which two taxi drivers were shot, one fatally along Whitehall Avenue in St. Andrew on Sunday afternoon. The dead man has been identified as 38-year-old Sean Granville from Bull Bay in the parish. The injured cabbie is said to be from Kingston 8. Reports are that about 4:45 p.m. residents heard loud explosions and summoned the police. Upon their arrival, the police found Granville suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds to the upper body. He was quickly assisted to the Kingston Public Hospital where he died. The other taxi driver later turned up at hospital suffering from gunshot wounds to the right hand and right leg stemming from the said incident. He was admitted in a stable condition. The police say they are still trying to ascertain a motive for the shooting. Police have launched a probe into the stabbing death of a woman whose body was found on Market Street in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Sunday. Reports are that the woman, who up to press time was still unidentified, was about 40 years old of a dark complexion and had multiple stab wounds to her upper body. Passers-by reportedly found the woman and rushed her to St. Anne's Bay Hospital where doctors confirmed her dead. Police investigators probing the scene and surrounding areas reportedly found blood stains leading from the St. Anne's Bay Transport Center. The police say further information will be made available as they continue their investigations. Suspended at the Cornwall College in St. James as the school has been plunged into mourning following the sudden death of its Spanish teacher on Sunday morning. She is 41-year-old Kamika Warren. Grief counseling will be provided at the school for the academic, auxiliary, and ancillary staff. As a result, students have been asked to remain at home. School resumed on Tuesday. Observer Online understands that Warren was admitted on Saturday at the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay after complaining of difficulty breathing. The educator, who was the head of the department for Spanish at Cornwall, is said to have been employed to all-boys school for over a decade. A 61-year-old American visitor died after complaining of belly pains while staying at a hotel in Ochiraya, St. Anne on Sunday. She has been identified as Joan Grosha Tomlinson, an administrative assistant from Georgia in the United States.